3, 2, 1. Just soft things.
Bird. Oh my god, hi Liv. Oh my god, hi Ishmael. Hey guys, I haven't filmed anything like real life thing in a while. That is mostly because I had a project that I was going to edit, but then I got lazy and overwhelmed, and with the cacophony of the flaming garbage that is
this society and the job market,
I have been invested in trying to get myself in. Obviously, that did not work, but given that I want to indulge myself in something more creative and much more not related to trying to search for a job, I decided that I was gonna make a mocha brownie. This is the recipe that I found. Obviously, there are some things that I'm going to skip, such as using espresso powder. Yeah, no, bro, I'm using ground coffee. Vanilla extract, sorry, that's expensive. I'm just gonna do without it. Icing sugar, I don't think that's in the house. Sorry about that. Yeah, we're just gonna freeball it, hope it works, and we're just gonna see what happens. It looks unspeakable, but surely it will turn out okay. Oh, shoot. Is it too late to say that I've never made a brownie before? It'll be fine. Oh! Woo! Ooh. Oh, it's good. It's like a rich brownie. Of course it is, it's a brownie. I don't taste the coffee as much, but I think that could be fixed if the espresso, there was a little bit more espresso in it. But good brownie. Also pretty good recipe. Woo! 年さ交えて痛む方らまたまたわがままばかかなまさかまだまだ長々学ばなきゃだな